Hey guys, it's Kim, and in this week's video I have another DIY video. Don't worry, I will be having the DIY dollar store challenge video coming up. I am just waiting on getting some wire cutters, things that are strong enough to cut something for me. So no worries, that video is coming soon, so hold tight for that. But this here is a video that I see, and this is so inexpensive to make, and it's so good if you have, well, mine are Disney themed, but they can be any theme. Like if you know someone that loves anything, you can make these. They're so inexpensive to make. Like literally all I did was print a picture online. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see because outside. Like print a picture online, got a frame from Dollarama, and then I had this scrapbook paper home. But you can pretty much make this for $3. Like I just did a Mickey one here, just so I could show you guys that you can make a Mickey one. But the most popular one obviously is princesses. So I did this one here, which is, I'm trying to make it so you can see it there. Oh no, it's a reflection of outside. There we go. So you can see here, this one here is Cinderella. So I just have, it's in a silhouette, and then I have this blue paper. So the only thing I would suggest, now obviously it's up to you, but like if you did Cinderella, put like a blue paper. If you did Belle, kind of put like a yellow paper type of a thing. I think that would be really, really sweet. So I'll show you guys how to do the Cinderella and the Mickey. So yeah, so if you guys want to see any more Disney DIY videos or anything, let me know in the comment below, and let's get on into the video. So what you will need is some scrapbook paper and some silhouette images that I just printed off from Google. You just like type in silhouette Disney Little Mermaid or silhouette Disney Cinderella, and you can just print them off. A picture frame, I got mine from Dollarama, some scissors, and a glue stick. So what you want to take first is take your silhouette and just cut it out. Now make sure when you cut it out that when you cut it, you go very, very close to the line. When you get that done, pick the background. I picked a blue background because my Disney princess I did was Cinderella. Next, all you want to do is just take your frame apart. So make sure you just undo the back and take off the sides, and I use the matting just to figure out how big I had to cut the blue piece. Then you just cut that out. Once you finish cutting that out, you want to take your glue stick and glue the back of your silhouette. Make sure when you do the back of your silhouette that you make sure that all your edges are coated, and make sure you get all the little tiny pieces. Then you want to take that and put it on your back. So obviously again I put it on the back of the blue paper, and when you place it in, make sure you are very, very careful as the little tiny pieces, and when you press it into place, make sure I kind of started from the middle and just pressed it out so I wouldn't have any bubbles or anything in my picture. And make sure that all your little pieces and everything are placed down in the proper position. Then I just took my picture, flipped it over, and put it back in the picture frame, and put the picture frame all back together. And there you have your Disney silhouette. I just repeated the same process again and did it for Mickey, so they're the two I made. I hope you guys give this DIY a try. Let me know in the comments below if you guys try anything different besides Disney, or what Disney characters, anything you do. I do have in mind what I'm going to make for some people with some of this stuff. So yeah, so make sure you give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell down below so you guys get notified when my videos come up, as they do get lost and stuff in subscription boxes with all the YouTube-ness, you know. So yeah, I guess we'll see you guys next week with another video. Thanks. Bye.